Hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tanya. I'm a musician, blogger, passive income, and SEO specialist. And today we're going to be continuing our talk about freelancing, mainly with 3 essential skills every freelancer needs to have if they want to be successful. So if you're a freelancer, or maybe you're just thinking about it, grab your cup of coffee and let's get into it. So maybe you've been freelancing for a while and you're struggling, or maybe you want to get into freelancing. Maybe you have friends that are freelancers. Some freelancers do really well and other freelancers really struggle. And honestly, I think these 3 skills are the essential ones you have to have if you want to be successful. Now, just to give a little background, if you're new here, I am a freelancer. I have been a full-time freelancer since 2005, and I make a good living at it. I support myself financially at it. I own my own home. So I've had a lot of time to explore what works and what doesn't. And trust me, I've made lots of mistakes. So I'm here to keep you from making those exact same mistakes. The first thing every freelancer must have is good communication skills. As a freelancer, you're constantly communicating with other people. You're communicating with clients. You're communicating with people on behalf of clients. Depending on what you do, you may be communicating with your clients' clients. So knowing how to communicate with others in a professional and kind manner is super important. You have to know how to do this. And being passive aggressive or afraid to talk to people, that's going to hurt you. That's going to hurt you big time. You need to be friendly, you need to be focused, and you need to be professional, and you need to be considerate of other people's time. People are busy. So don't schedule a meeting when it could have been a text message. The second skill every freelancer needs to have is the ability to build an online presence. We are no longer working in the world of snail mail and paper marketing campaigns. Everything is online, and you have to be online too if you want to work as a freelancer. When people go looking for freelancers, they go to the internet, they go to Google, they go to Fiverr. Occasionally, they'll also go by word of mouth. I know that's what I do personally when I'm looking for someone I need to do a task for me. I reach out to other colleagues in my field and see who they've used, who they like, who they don't like. So once again, those communication skills are important. Let people know you're looking and they'll recommend you if you're good. But you need to have an online presence. You need to have a website. You need to have a social media. All of this is so important if you're going to be successful as a freelancer in 2023, 2024, and beyond. And the third skill that you must have if you want to be successful as a freelancer is good financial management. Because here's the deal. If you're a freelancer, you are your own boss. You own a business, and the services you provide are your business. The only person who cares about you getting paid is yourself. Clients aren't going to pay you if you don't invoice them. Taxes are not going to get paid if you don't set aside money to pay them. No one's taking money out of your paycheck for taxes. No one's covering your health insurance. You have to take care of that. So good financial management skills are crucial if you want to be a freelancer. And one of my favorite books for that is The Money Book for Freelancers, Part-Timers, and the Self-Employed. It's an old book. It's been around for a while, but it's a staple in the world of freelancers because it's good. It gives you really good, easy to follow advice. I highly recommend it. This is not sponsored. I read this book. I loved it. Therefore, I recommend it to others. As a matter of fact, I have a blog post somewhere on books that I recommend for freelancers. So I will link that down in the description. And I know that this book is in it. So I hope you have fun freelancing. I want you to start developing these skills. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments. And until next time, peace out.